I'm Sandy Gentry with the Sandy Gentry team. I am so excited to present to you today my newest listing, which is a contemporary farm home that was newly built by David Palmer and features 100 feet of water frontage on the Grand River. Welcome to 14954 152nd Avenue. This kitchen reminds me of a Chip and Joanna Gaines design, just with the farmhouse sink, the wood island, the custom wood cabinets that are distressed. Functional but simplistic. Thank you for viewing this home with us today. Please contact for more information the Sandy Gentry team at 616-935-1150.